There's nothing like walking outside, grabbing fresh herbs and vegetables. I'm going to show you my Thai father-in-law's organic vegetable garden backyard. Papaya? Thai papaya? Thai eggplant?
Eat young ni yummy. Eat with fish sauce.
Stir fry.
Yeah, and can eat raw.
Green coconut curries.
Yummy coconut.
He's got some oregano here. Let's give this a quick smell. That smells good. Thai banana tree.
This is marum.
So what it is, it's a long bean that you can use in cooking.
Cooking soup with fish.
Soup with fish, all kinds of stuff.
This is talk this medicine.
Yep, this is like, Thais consider this like medicine. They make capsules of this. It's supposed to be anti-cancer. Really good, lots of antioxidants, phytonutrients.
This is Thai chili.
Oh, this is Thai chili plant?
Yeah, Thai chili.
Oh. Krapow basil. Yeah. Krapow basil. Holy basil as they call it. Oh, nothing fresher than just going right to your herb garden, grabbing fresh ingredients. Has a very distinct, how people say it's like a clovey taste, but let me give it a smell. Oh, it smells so good. Very, very popular in a lot of dishes that they use here in Thailand. This is manao. This is the Thai lime. There's a couple, you can see over there. So this is the Thai pumpkin. You see this vine? What is the name in Thai?
Fac thong.
Huh?
Fac thong.
Oh, okay. This is a Thai mango tree. There's no fruits or flowers on it right now though. Very delicious. I've had this mango many times.
Thai ginger root kha. They call kha. Kha make the soup, make the tom yum.
Oh, tom yum soup.
Yeah, tom yum soup.
Very famous, yeah, dish. Tom yum.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, what is this?
They eat with the egg.
Oh yeah?
Egg and this egg and
Oh, the and eggs, huh?
salad and
Really? What is that called?
and papaya salad.
What is that called?
Jik. They eat with the papaya salad and fish sauce.
They eat it raw or they cook it?
They eat raw. This
Oh.
jik. Dip with fish sauce. Dip with fish sauce. See? On top. Eat.
And you dip those vegetables, eat it with the fish sauce, eh?
Fish sauce.
Thai style.
Thai style.
Oh, this is a tobacco plant. Interesting. First time I've ever seen one.
I have to cook the organic vegetable, boiling and eat with fish sauce tonight for dinner.
What is the name of that vegetable called?
Care. Care.
Kale. Oh, okay.
Just like C-A-R-E.
Oh, care. Oh, okay.
But Thailand, care.
How do you eat it?
Steam.
You steam it?
Not steam, boiling, sorry.
Oh, you boil it and
Yeah.
eat it with a fish sauce?
Yeah.
With the dipping sauce?
Yes, yummy.
I hope you enjoyed this organic Thai garden tour. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.